I've had a lot. I have had much worse.
Oh, pag ito, prepare sa'yo na yun, do.
Hey guys, so today we are replacing a 2014 Civic SI's transmission fluid. So you gotta take off the air box, you can see here. And then can't really see anything. And then we're gonna be taking off that plug right there. We're gonna encircle it. This plug right here. That's a 17. We're gonna use our breaker bar with a 1/2-inch drive to get it loose. Now that is your fill plug. We gotta make sure that it's not seized, because otherwise we wouldn't be bothering changing the fluid. Okay guys, so we have our breaker bar here. Make sure it's a 1/2-inch drive so it will be effortless. We have an extension here, also a 1/2-inch drive. So we'll put that together like so, and 17mm socket to undo the bolt. So let's do it just that.
Alam mo ba tanggal tong goma mo?
Tinanggal mo.
No, tanggal.
What?
Yan o, kagagyan o. Hindi mo alam?
No. Oh, let's go.
The heck?
Just now?
Yeah.
So we'll put it in the socket.
Yung
We'll put it on the bolt like so. Make sure it's nice and snug, and we'll simply undo the bolt. Yeah. Okay, and we'll just
Look at those tries.
give it a nice lefty loosey.
Loki flex.
We've already loosened it, but the idea is that you break it loose by going left. Yep. Put it to the side. We'll undo the bolt and we'll leave it loosened. Now we can go underneath and undo the drain plug. Let's do it. Bye. Hey guys, so now we're gonna access the drain plug of the transmission, which is down here. You could come down here just below. As you can see, this is your transmission, like so. Now the drain plug,
his favorite word,
like so. The drain plug is right here. Okay. Okay, you get the idea. So this is the drain plug that we'll be removing. You just need the head right there to loosen the bolt, the plug. Right there. Why is it not focusing? Whoop. Whoop. There we go.
Putang shit.
Okay. We have it loose. Okay, so now we take off our ratchet. We gotta get ready for the mess, because we gotta bless this mess. Don't rush into it. Just take your time loosening the bolt. You wanna avoid. There we go. I knew it.
It's the draining. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sabi na eh. Sabi na eh. Sabi na eh. Yun eh. Sabi na eh. Sabi na eh.
Okay guys, looks like I made the mess. Holy. You catching this?
Yes, I'm catching everything.
Whee!
Gago.
Okay, so we're gonna let it drain. Let it finish. Actually, it's still nice, but we've already drained it, so why not? We're just finishing up the drain of the fluid. Just want to show you quickly. This is what the plug looks like. So it's 3/8 drive you need, and don't forget to make sure that you have your gasket on when putting the plug back in. We're gonna use it. We're gonna tighten it by hand first, and then we're gonna secure it with the ratchet. Okay, let's do that. Okay, can you see me? Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna tighten it by hand first. This way we can avoid damaging the threads.
You can tighten it like so.
Okay. Now that we got it there, we can use our ratchet. Just make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. Go. Give it a nice. Okay. There we go. You're good to go.
Thanks.
Give it a nice wipe. Okay, we're gonna go back up top. We're gonna start the fill process, which is always the fun part. Now you can check your owner's manual how much it needs, but according to it, we need the what? 2 quarts
Yeah, I think so.
2 quarts of nice Honda MTF. There we go. You can use whatever fluid you want, but we prefer to stick to OEM. There we go. Guys, so we are just double checking how much the SI's transmission need. And by checking the owner's manual, let me get that in focus. Let's get it zoomed out. Okay, there we go. Either 2 US quarts or 1.9 liters of transmission fluid.
One of these is 1 liter.
And the one we have here is 1 liter.
So we got 2.
Which makes this 2 liters. So we're gonna leave
100
mil on the second bottle. Let's get Lloyd to pour the bottle on this one. Okay, how's that? All set? Okay, here we go. First bottle in the transmission. Okay guys, a little change of plans. I noticed that our funnel, which I used earlier for my car's oil change, has a bunch of dirt and debris in it, and of course we don't want it going in the transmission with the fresh fluid, because the dirt and debris would obviously get into the transmission and it would mess everything up. So now we have another funnel that we're gonna be using instead.
I-shoot mo doon. Doon mo i-gano, pag gano. Yan, ihiga doon. Yan. Sahod. Sahod sa ilalim. Hindi pwedeng nasa ibabaw. Mabibitawan mo yan.
The fluid is in the works. Dad to the rescue. Just making sure we don't make a mess. No, that wasn't so hard, was it?
Very hard.
Woo!
I hate it.
Okay, second bottle guys.
Galing ito.
Yun nga eh.
Job. No. Okay, now that we have finished filling the transmission with fresh fluid, we're now gonna secure the bolt.
Alam basa?
So we'll do it by hand first. So this way we're not destroying the thread. We have a 1/2 inch ratchet. We'll use it just to tighten this bad boy up. That's good enough. Nice and snug. Yeah. Okay guys, so now that we have secured our fill plug right there, now we just gotta put the air box back in. This one, if we flip it over, as you can see, there are 2 holes, 1 and 2, that goes into these pegs, 1 and 2. They simply just lock in, no need to screw or anything down. And then on the other side of the air box, we have this 10 millimeter bolt that we simply just will screw down once everything is attached. Okay, so with just a little wiggling, we're able to get the air box back in. We just gotta push it in the pegs and then use our 10 millimeter to secure that 1 bolt that's close to the battery.
Oh, before you push it down, you have to lock it in first.
Is it this way?
No. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Ah! Looks like it will cooperate with us. Oh, look at that! What the? Bro. Okay, we need a Phillips. Should be just pretty straightforward. Filming takes longer than the actual job, just to let you know. Then don't forget your sensor harness. Oops, that goes in.
Yeah.
And now, job complete. Thanks to my light man over there. Thanks to our moral support over here.
Ito, nakasaksak lang to.
Now it's a nice idea to go through the gears without starting the car, just so we can make sure that the fluids will go through all the nooks and crannies of your transmission. So, neutral. Let's go first. Go second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth,
Reverse.
and then reverse. Okay, now we're gonna start up the car and check underneath if there are any leaks, and then we can conclude our job. Secondary